In its journey from mine to store, a diamond will undergo many changes and will pass through many hands. In this video, you'll learn how Sarine is solving the industry's traceability challenge once and for all. Sarine Diamond Journey Traceability begins at the mine. All rough stones in a given package are scanned by the producer, and a unique 3D model is generated for each stone. The producer completes the registration by adding important data, then uploads everything to the Sarine secure cloud-based system. Sarine Diamond Journey Traceability continues at the factory. Each stone in the package is scanned by the manufacturer, who inputs the package ID and producer name into the system. A unique verification algorithm matches the rough stones in the package to what was registered by the producer. If the match is positive, the stone is registered with its new owner. Sarine Diamond Journey Traceability ensures validation throughout all stages of the diamond manufacturing process. Every time a stone is processed through a stage, the system validates its current status to assure it is the same stone, then registers the new stage automatically. This allows for continuous matching and validation from planned stage through sawing until the polished stone. The process is seamlessly integrated into existing workflows, resulting in no interruptions nor extra cost. When the polished plan is finalized, the system captures multiple properties of the rough part and the planned polish to enable matching to the final polished stone. Once polishing is complete, the polished stone is matched against the final plan for validation. Sarine Diamond Journey Traceability now accompanies the polished stone to Sarine's AI lab. The polish validation stage verifies the stone by matching its different properties, such as inclusions, polish proportions, and additional unique features, to the properties registered during the final plan stage. This will verify the polished stone is derived from a specific rough. After moving through mine, manufacturer, and lab, Sarine Diamond Journey Traceability is completed with the generation of a customizable digital or printed report supporting the retailer's brand and providing consumers with a record of their diamond's journey, from its birth as a rough stone to the beautiful polished diamond. Sarine's True Match is a solution that connects between the physical diamond and its digital report, using unique diamond fingerprinting technology to load the diamond's report online. Combining the diamond journey with True Match, retailers can now offer consumers real-time validation of their polished diamond in the store at the point of purchase. Mounted or loose stones placed on the True Match system are validated on the spot, further enhancing trust at a key moment for the customer. Sarine Diamond Journey Traceability, industry traceability reimagined.